The TVS Apache RTR 164V is one of the best looking motorcycles in its segment, which might be a reason for its success. But in today's video, we are going to discuss how well this motorcycle performs, especially when we compare it to its competition. In its latest offering, TVS has tuned the engine for better power, but for me, this engine has always represented refinement. The 4-valve head helps the engine to breathe better and to freely rev across the range, which isn't the case with Hero Extreme 160R with a 2-valve system. The Hero Extreme with its lightweight and punchy low end can be more fun inside the city, but on highways, I will prefer the RTR 164V. The 4-valve system along with the refinement helps you in taking that RPM higher for better cruising speeds. I must mention the Pulsar NS 160, which does this job of highway cruising equally well. Out on the highway, I found the brakes on the RTR 160 to be fine, while the Extreme 160R has got better feedback from the brakes. Plus I found the MRFs on the Extreme 160R to be better than the Remora tires offered on the RTR 164V. The well-balanced suspension is another highlight for the RTR 164V, which is better in taking bad roads when compared to the Showa setup on the Extreme 160R. Adding to the comfort is the spacious seat on the RTR 164V with an upright handlebar setup, which gives a relaxed upper body posture. TVS has progressed with time and now it provides a decent LED headlight setup on the RTR 164V. There is a dedicated video on its performance in comparison with the Dominar 400, link for which will be shared in the description. I wish TVS equipped the RTR 164V with LED indicators and a side stand warning with engine cutoff system, which is standard on the Extreme 160R. The same goes for the Kickstarter, which is now missing in the BS6 version of the 164V. So as we can see, the list goes on with our suggestions to make a better motorcycle out of the present one. But one place where these motorcycles excel at is efficiency. I almost got close to 50 km per liter of efficiency in mixed riding conditions on the RTR 164V, which is just amazing for a motorcycle which isn't far behind the RTR 204V in terms of performance. Let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed comparison in between the 164V and the 204V. Which brings me to the end of this video and I hope you guys have liked it.